Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to remove acne in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Right-click on the photo layer at the right side Layers panel. Choose Duplicate Layer from the list. Click OK in the pop-up window. Choose Healing Brush Tool from the left sidebar. Zoom in on the photo. Look for a clean part of the skin. Press Alt on your keyboard and click on the skin. Release the Alt key. Draw over the acne parts. Click on the eye next to the layer to see the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!